Hello my dear students. Welcome back to my channel Tomo Tutorials. In this video we'll be learning pair of linear equations in two variables, chapter 3 of class 10 NCERT mathematics. So in this video I'll be giving some basic concepts of the chapter. So first we'll discuss what the linear equation is. Linear equation, okay. So first we'll study or learn actually what kind of equation is called the linear equation, okay. So linear equation in two variables, okay. So any equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, okay. Any equation of the form, this form, or any equation which can be put in this form, okay. Like any equation of the form this ax plus by plus c equals to 0, or equation which are not in this form but can be put in this form, so is called a linear equation in two variables, okay. So actually the word linear means here the degree should be 1, okay. So here degree of x is 1, this term is also 1, so degree is 1, so that is for linear. So two variables means there are two variables, x and y are the variable, and a b c are called coefficients, okay. So x and y are the variables, a b c are coefficients. So that and the term linear is for degree 1, okay. So it says degree 1, okay. So variable terms have the degree 1, so it is linear equation in two variable. So in this definition, so here where a b c are real numbers, okay. So a b and c should be the real numbers, and another condition, both a and b are not both zeros, okay, are not zeros, okay. So both a and b should not be equal to 0, okay. So ABC should be real number, but both a and b should not be equal to 0, or another condition we can say that a square plus b square should not be equal to 0. This condition also can be applied. And the solution of the equation, okay. So solution of the equation always exist in pair, okay, always exist in pair, okay. So value of x and value of y must be there. Like I'll take an example, 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. So this is not in the form ax plus by plus c directly, but it can be put in that form, okay. So if we take this side, then it will be in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, okay. So here the equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 5, so it is the solution in this form, okay. So if you put x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, okay. So in place of x 1, in place of y 1 is equal to 5. So 2 1 is 2, okay, plus 3 1 is 3. This side we have 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5 equal to 5. Is 5 equal to 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. So it is satisfying. Then these are the solution, okay. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, or we can write 1 comma 1 is a solution, okay. So as you already know, in class 9 also we have done linear equation in two variables. So linear equation in two variables have infinitely many solutions. Okay, so this is one of the solution. So it has infinitely many solutions, okay, which can be satisfied. So in real life problem also there are so many problems, so which can be solved using the linear equation in two variables. So if you see exercise 3.1 of the chapter, so here some real life situations are provided. So using the linear equation we can formulate the problem, okay. So in later section we'll be learning how to solve the problem also. So in this exercise we just learn how to formulate the problem into equation form, linear equation form, okay. So the first question here is question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as you old as you were then, so also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So isn't interesting? So represent the situation algebraically and graphically. First we need to represent the situation algebraically, that means in equation form, okay. Then we have to draw the graph, okay. So first we'll learn how to represent the situation algebraically, okay, how to make the equation, okay. So this is very basic concept, so please watch the video very carefully without skipping. Okay, the question 1 of exercise 3.1. so here Aftab and his daughter, okay, so their ages are compared. So we need to find their, or we need to assume their ages, okay, present ages, okay. So let the present age of Aftab be x years, okay, x year, and another let the present age of his daughter, okay, be y year, okay, y years. So we need to assume their present ages. This is the first job you need to do. After that you need to see the condition, okay. So condition is 7 years ago, that means 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. So the father is saying to his daughter, so 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were. So 7 years ago means 7 years back, okay. So 7 years ago. So Aftab's age is x. So 7 years ago his age was x minus 7, because his present age is x, means 7 years back his age must be x minus 7 is equals to 7 times his daughter's age then. So his daughter present age is y, so 7 years ago her age was y minus 7. So if you simplify this equation, so you'll get linear equation into variable, right? X minus 7 equals to 7 into y, 7y, 7 into 7 is 49, okay, plus into minus minus. So x, if you take this here, minus 7y minus 7, and if you take that this side, so plus 49 equal to 0, okay. So x minus 7y, so minus 7 plus 49 is plus 42 equals to 0, okay. So this is equation 1, okay. Now another condition is also given. So from now, 3 years from now, okay, that means 3 years later, 3 years later, okay, 3 years later, okay. So what happens? So I shall be 3 times as old as you. So father is saying, so father present age is x, 3 years later means x plus 3 is equal to 3 times y plus 3. So our daughter age also increases 3 years, okay. So solve this, x plus 3, 3 into y, 3y, 3 3s are 9, okay. So x taking this side minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 equals to 0. So x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9, so minus 6 equals to 0. So this is equation 2. Okay, so equation 1 and equation 2 represent the situation. Okay, first situation 7 years ago, second situation 3 years from now. So these two situations are represented algebraically. Okay, so this is how you can make the equation from the word problem. Now first job we've done, that is representation the situation algebraically. Now second part of the question is we need to represent this situation graphically also. Okay, that means we need to draw the graph for this equation also. Okay, so that is very important. So let us learn how to draw the graph for the equations. Okay, so first equation and second equation, let us take these two equations. So first equation here is x minus 7y plus 4d2 equals to 0. Okay, so this is the first equation. Okay, so we can write from 1. Okay, equation 1. So this is the first equation. So we need to make a solution box here so that it will be easy to note all the solution. So at least two solution you can find. Okay, so two solution is sufficient. Okay, two solutions are sufficient to draw the graph. So it is very easy to find the solution. So since linear equation into variable have infinitely many solutions, so we just need to find two only. So first one value we should give by ourselves. So if you give 0 for x, then let us see what happens. 42 equal to 0, so minus 7y. So if we take that side, minus 42, and y is equal to minus 42 by minus 7. So 7 1 is 7, 6 are 42, so minus minus also get cancelled, so it is y is equal to 6. Okay, so y is equal to 6. Okay, so similarly if you put another value, that suppose value for x is 7. Okay, so 7 minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0. So 7 plus 42 is 49 minus 7y equal to 0. So minus 7y is equals to minus 49 if you take that side. So y is equal to minus 49 by minus 7. So minus minus get cancelled. So 7 7s are 49. So value of y also you are getting 7 here. Okay, value of y is 7. So we have found the two solution for the equation 1. So similarly we have to find the solution for equation 2 also. Okay, so now from equation 2. Okay, so equation 2 is x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. So for this also we need to make a solution box, so that it will be easy to note the solution here. So just finding two solution is sufficient. Okay, so let us put 0 for x. Okay, so it is not that you must put 0 for first, so you can put any other number also. Okay, so 0 minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So minus 3y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 by minus 3. So 3 2s are 6. So 2 we are getting, but here minus is also there, so minus 2. Okay, y is equal to minus 2. Okay, another value, so you can put here you can put 3. Okay, so 3 minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So minus 3y plus 3 minus 6, so minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, plus 3 minus 6, different sign, number gets subtracted. 6 minus 3 is 3, but sign will be of greater number. Okay, so minus 3y is equal to minus 3 that side plus 3. 3 is equal to 3 by minus 3. 3 1 is 3. Okay, so y is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so two values we found for equation 2 also. Now we need to draw the graph. Okay, let us see how to draw the graph. now I've drawn the graph Cartesian plane. So here so if you have graph page, so it will be very easy to draw the graph. If you are doing on plain page like me, so you need to take care of the division which you are making. So these divisions must be equal, okay? So this division must be equal to this, or this must be equal to this also, okay? So all the division must be equal, okay? So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis, okay? So now while putting the values, okay, so for equation 1, okay, so for equation 1 first value is 0 comma 6, okay? So 0 comma 6, so 0 comma 6 means value of x is 0, 0 is here, and value of y is 6. So 0 comma 6 is here, the point is here, okay? 0 comma 6, okay? So this is the point, okay? Another value for equation 1 is 7 comma 7, okay? Value of x is 7, y is, okay, 7 comma 7, so value of x is 7 is here, and the y value 7 is here, okay? So 7 comma 7, so from here you need to draw dotted vertical line, and from 7 here you need to draw the horizontal line. So wherever they meet, that value is the 7 comma 7, okay? So now draw a line through these 2 points, okay? Okay, so place the scale and draw, okay? Place the ruler and draw. So though I am not using, see, so this line is the equation 1, okay? So equation 1, x minus, okay, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. So this line represents this equation, okay? Though my line is not straight, but the lines should be straight using the ruler, okay? Now see equation 2. First value is 0 comma minus 2. Value of x is 0, y is minus 2. 0 comma minus 2, 0 minus 2. So here 0 minus 2. So another value is 3 minus 1, okay? Value of x is 3 and minus 1, okay? So here 3 comma minus 1. So now you have to draw the line through these 2 points, okay? Like this, okay? So this is equation 2. So x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0, okay? So this is the graphical representation of the situation given in the question number 1, okay? So I hope you learned something new from this video. So 2 more questions are given in the exercise, so I'll show you the questions. So second question is there, third question is also there. So please try to do these questions by yourself. By first you need to do the algebraical expression, okay, that is equation form. After that you need to draw the graph, okay? So I hope this video helps you to understand the pair of linear equation in 2 variables and how to formulate and how to draw the graph also, right? So see you in the next video. So till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home, and keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you.